Now the tropical deciduous forest. These forests lies between 10 degree north to 23 1 upon 2 degree north and 10 degree south to 23 1 upon 2 degree south latitudes. And this forest belt receives the moderate rainfall. क्या है? Moderate rainfall यानी कि rainfall के season में ही जब रेन होती है. And the trees here shed their leaves in the ड्राई सीजन. और जब पतझड़ का मौसम होता है, ड्राई सीजन होता है, तो ट्रीज जो है अपने शेड जो है, शेड का मतलब पत्ते जो है उनके झड़ जाते हैं ट्रीज के. द ट्रीज आर ऑफ मीडियम हाइट. किस तरह के होते हैं? आपने देखा होगा कि ट्रॉपिकल एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट में ट्रीज आर टॉल इन हाइट, और यहाँ पर क्या है? ट्रीज हाइट क्या है? मीडियम इन हाइट. एंड द मेन एरियाज वेयर दीज फॉरेस्ट आर फाउंड कहाँ है मेन एरिया? इंडिया, चाइना एंड ईस्टर्न ब्राजील में these type of forests are found. And the common trees found here are saw, teak and bamboo, etc. Now we will study about the grasslands. Grasslands क्या है? Grasslands यानी कि जहाँ पर grasses जो है ग्रो की जाती हैं, that the grasslands areas where the vegetation is dominated by the grasses like plants, grass like plants and scattering of trees. Grasslands found in the areas of scanty rainfall with varying temperature conditions, and on the basis of the climatic conditions they can be divided into the two groups. The first group grassland का क्या है? Tropical grasslands. First one is the tropical grassland. First of all we will study about the tropical grassland. And they are located between the equatorial forest and hot desert. कहाँ है? Equatorial forest and hot deserts. These are situated between the equatorial forest and hot deserts. These in both the hemisphere, in the northern hemisphere and in the southern hemisphere. These grasslands receive heavy यानी कि 100 rainfall receive कितनी है? 100 centimeter rainfall. And the grasses of these regions are very thick, rough and tall. Grasses किस तरह की है? Rough, thick and tall. This type of grasses are found in this region. Thick and tall. And the main areas क्या है? देखिए campus in Brazil are typical example of these forests. यानी कि जो है कैंपस, ब्राजील में जो कैंपस है वहां पर ये इस टाइप की जो फॉरेस्ट ग्रासेस हैं पाए जाते हैं. कैंपस इन ब्राजील. Now the next one is the temperate grassland. This is the tropical grassland. Now let's study about the temperate grasslands. Again we will continue with the tropical grasslands. क्या है? They are located between the equatorial forest and the hot desert in both the hemispheres. In both the hemispheres means northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. And these grasslands receive 100 centimeter rainfall. And the grasses of this region are rough, thick and tall. And the example of these grasses, campus in Brazil are typical example of this. Campus in Brazil are typical example of these forests. Now we will study about the temperate. किसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे? Temperate grasslands. And that on the other hand, temperate grasslands क्या these grasslands are found in the temperate zone and in the interior parts of the temperate zone. कहाँ पर पाए जाते हैं? Temperate zone and in the interior part of the continents. Temperate zone and interior part of the continents. Okay, and these grasslands receive rainfall कितनी है? rainfall क्या है? 25 to 75 सेंटीमीटर. कितनी रेनफॉल है? 25 to 75 सेंटीमीटर. And they sometimes receive the snowfall also. The grasses of these regions are short and soft. Grasses किस तरह की पाई जाती हैं? Short and soft. The grasses are there soft and they are known by the different names in the different areas. और इन grasses को different areas में different names से जाना जाता है. कि जैसे for example क्या है? prairies. इन grasses को temperate grasslands को prairies कहाँ बोला जाता है? नॉर्थ अमेरिका में. prairies in नॉर्थ अमेरिका and